Grow your team, grow your success. The title says it all. The team section is a powerful way to increase your income and build passive earnings by growing your network. Here, we have your unique team link. Whenever someone clicks this link and signs up, they are automatically added to your team. And here's something important. Even if someone clicks your link, visits the website, but doesn't sign up immediately, we still track them. If they return later and sign up, they'll still count as part of your team. Now, let's jump directly to the team members area. Here you can see the total number of team members, currently 1,220. You'll also find the total clicks, total signups in May, and your conversion rate, all displayed clearly. You can also check where your team members are coming from, including their country, sign-up dates, and user IDs. Next, let's focus on the heart of your earnings, the team bonus. The team bonus is based on your team's total value. By team value, we mean the total commissions your entire team generates within a month. This is crucial because your bonus percentage directly depends on this team value. Click on this icon to open the team bonus structure. Here's how it breaks down. If your team value is between $0 and $50,000, you earn a 10% bonus. Between $50,001 and $150,000, your bonus increases to 20%. Between $150,001 and $500,000, you receive 30%. And if your team value exceeds $500,001, you reach the top tier, earning a 40% bonus. This means the more value your team creates, the higher your bonus payout, rewarding you directly for your leadership and growth efforts. Let's check the team bonus section now. For example, in May, my team generated a total value of $24,102.53. Based on that, I earned a team bonus of $2,410.25. Each individual commission your team members generate is listed here, along with a blockchain link for full transparency, allowing you to verify every transaction at any time. You'll also see your total sales, your current bonus status, and exactly how much more your team needs to earn to unlock the next bonus level. Currently, we're at 10%, and the dashboard clearly shows what it takes to reach 20% next. To reach the next level, we need an additional $25,898 in team value. Finally, don't forget to visit the promotion section. Here, you'll find weekly updates with new promotional materials designed to help you recruit more team members, including ready-to-use templates for Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and email marketing. Be sure to check back often to keep your outreach fresh and effective. With these tools, growing your team, increasing your earnings, and tracking everything with full transparency is simple and rewarding.